Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV.
So mga kadipat, without further ado, we'll now start right away our elimination round for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. Once again, Don Patrick D. Paraguilar here for Dipat Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this month of March 2024. Let's introduce now right away our first matchup. The first matchup is going to be RT Tarika taking on Metalder. Okay, it's RT Tarika versus Metalder for our to start off elimination round here on DPL SNC this March 11, 2024. And in this first matchup, it's going to be 1-2, 1-2, no? O, tama. So it's going to be RT Tarika starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. I repeat, it's RT Tarika at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2 to start off the elimination round here on DTL SMC with this race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. All good. Satu. Ay, sabi. May nalang, sayang. Oy, doggy. Mema. Sayang, ganda na sana ng takbo ni ni Metalder. Okay na sana yung takbo niya, but unfortunately, it ended in a draw. So, maiwan si RT Tarika dyan for race number 8. Siya yung huling natumba kasi. O, yung unang natumba, doon siya sa loser's bracket. Either race 5 or 6. So, tabla, yung laban sa... so, tabla yung... what do you call this? Tabla yung race 1 natin. Next! Tuloy-tuloy na natin. Okay. Bilis-bilisan na lang natin. Race number 2 will feature Setsuna taking on Neon Sara. Okay. Setsuna taking on Neon Sara for our race number 2. Alright. Okay. So in our race number 2, Battle of Super 2 Chassis Machines pala ang labanan. So si Setsuna, ano na siya ngayon? Team bahay. Kasi nagkaroon na po siya ng damage or damage dito sa kanyang rear section. Doon sa rear left section, talagang dinikit ko na lang na kaya ginawa ko na lang siyang team bahay. So for this race number 2, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2 and Neon Sara starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 2 and Neon Sara at lane 1 to start off race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Well, login. Nakuha? Patay. Draw game. Unang tumilig seto na. So, sila ni Metalder magkalaban. Pero, draw. Draw ang dapat. Official time out kay Setsuna. Screw-in lang natin yung screw-in ko na lang yung talagang maganda. Umangat yung gearbox Umangat yung gearbox. Di siya sanay na walang easy lock gear. Check natin. Okay. Ayos. Sila maglaban sa race number 5. Sila lang race 5 mamaya. Draw game. Pause ko muna yung ating pause ko muna dyan yung aking so another draw between Setsuna and Neon Sara. Kaya lang si Setsuna in an unfortunate incident nga lang. Okay. Battle of Orange Army Cars na kagad ang ating race number 3. as Papa Roach will take on Empey. Alright. So it's Papa Roach versus Empey for our race number 3. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 1, Empey at lane 2. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1, Empey at lane 2 for race number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, time. Atay, sabi. Dati. Good. Final up. Take off. Empey winner. Alright. Winner side. Loser side. Yan na yung race 5. Naka-ready na yung race number 5. Empey win. Tapos Empey won. Yan. Race number 4 tayo. Palagi na lang slow connection. Ganito na ba talagang internet sa Pilipinas? Lagi na lang mabagal. Alright. Race number 4 will feature Cosmo Atomica. Ay, wala na tuloy flash. Race number 4 will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Polaris. Yan for our race number 4. Teka, adjust lang muna natin yung ano. Beat lang natin konti. Yon, nice. Okay. Race number 4. Okay. Race number 4 natin, Cosmo Atomica versus Polaris ang matchup. And in this race number 4, Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, it's Polaris at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 for our race number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Kamayan. Oy. Final engineer. Final lock. Winner. Cosmo Atomica wins. Alright. Cosmo Empey. Next target. Chat-chat na yan. Ayan na yung race number 5. Nandun na. Nakapwesto na. Cosmo. Yun, naputol din yung trend. Next. Race number 5. Race number 5. Okay. Race number 5 will feature Setsuna taking on Metalder. Yan, para sa ating race number 5. It's going to be Setsuna versus Metalder. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. I repeat, Setsuna at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. For our race number 5. Switch on. Yan na. Ready, set, fight. Patay. Tumor na patalon. lane layer. Final lap. Tapos, laser arm. Metalder, winner. Laser arm. Laser arm. Pagkakanta sunod-sunod talo rito ni Sergio na, naging ano na eh, team bahay na siya. Biglang naging team bahay. Ay, dito na lang. Yung pala, meron pala patungan dito eh. Sergio na lost to Metalder. Ay! Dito pala, sorry. Sergio na Metalder 1. Yun. 3 points kagad si Metalder. Okay. Next. Race number 6 right away. Race number 6 natin. Papa Roach taking on Polaris. Okay, repeat. Yam. Papa Roach versus Polaris for our race number 6. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 2. Polaris again starting at lane 1. I repeat, Polaris at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2 for race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, balik. Ako, mamawan. Hindi mo lang baso ng alaw. Baso. Lapping leader. Analap. Alright, changing. Go. Go. Change lane yun eh. Change lane. Draw game. Check natin sa replay. Replay center tayo. Ayan. Ayan pala, replay center. Malalaman natin. Ayan, dito malalaman natin. Delay natin ng konti. 6, 7, 8. Okay. 5. 8 second delay tayo. Medyo na-delay si ano eh. Final lap. Di pa. Final lap. Oh, change lane. Tama. Tama, change lane. Draw. Dapat pupunta dito yun sa labas eh, sa outer lane, tapos lulusot lang sa inner lane yun eh. So, draw game yun. Pero at least sa winner side pa rin si Papa Roach. So, Sergio na Polaris yung next. Ay, race 7 na pala. Sorry. Ito na pala race number 7 natin. O, draw yun, draw. Tama, nag-change lane nga. Tumalon. Lane 2 starting lane niya eh. So, that is a draw. Polaris, Papa Roach, draw. Next! Next! Race number... Ayaw mong tumino ha. Etong sa'yo. Ayaw magpakatino eh. Ayaw na naman magpakatino nung si... Okay. Race number 7 natin. Cosmo Atomica. Ayaw na namang magpakatino. Puro kayo slow connection. Ayaw nyo ayusin yung mga internet nyo, mga telco kayo. Ayaw nyo mag-ayos ng internet sa smart eh. Ito. Palayo naman ng palayo. Yan. Ayos pa ba? Yan. Repeat, race number 7. Race number 7 natin, Cosmo versus MP yung labanan natin. Sensya na sa delay. Sandamukal na yung mga delays natin. Cause of delay talaga yung poor internet signal natin kaya di tayo makapag-live ng maayos. Alright. Pato ng 4H Army na naman tayo sa ating race number 7. Cosmo Atomica versus MP is the matchup wherein Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 1, MP at lane 2 again. MP at lane 2, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 for race number 7. Switch on! Ready, set, fight! Yung patay. Ato. Ayan na. Winner. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright. Winner side. MP loser side. Yan. Yan naman yung yung si Paparot, ba yun? Nanalo ba siya? Draw. Huling natumba pala, no? Ayun. Tapos si Metalder, panalo. Ayun. Galing sa panalo. Talsikan na tuloy ng dugo yung ko. Nakaka-anemic kasi yung mga pawalan ng internet signal eh. Talagang gusto may sumabotahe sa atin eh. Talagang gusto tayong isabotahe. Talagang yung mga oligarkong yan, gusto manabotahe na naman. Alright, race number 7 tayo right away. Bilisan na natin. RT Tarika taking on Neon Sara for our race number 8. And in this matchup, it's going to be RT Tarika starting at lane 2 and Neon Sara starting at lane 1. I repeat, RT Tarika at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1 for race number 8. Switch on. Ready? Dito pala. Lane 2 pala, no? Tama. Ready, set, bye. Good. Final up. Winner. RT Tarika winner. Alright. Ayan, dito yan. Natapos yan sa winner's side. Yan, tapos yung 9, 10, 11, 12. Ito, sunod pala. Well, pwedeng ito na yung race 11, yung naghihintay dyan na isa. Para makapagpahinga konti. Lost Sky, Neon Sara. Okay, RT. RT1. Okay. Race number 9. Okay. Race number 9, Setsuna taking on Polaris. In this matchup, another matchup of Super 2 chassis machines. And in this matchup, for race number 9, Setsuna will start at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2 this time. Alright, I repeat, Setsuna at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2 for race number 9. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Ito sa'yo. Draw game. Draw game. Loser side si Polaris. Setso na dun sa kabila. Ay, ito pala sunod. Loser side pala muna, tapos winner side. Ayun, kaya nagso-slow connection dun eh, oh. Panay slow connection, slow connection, slow connection. Puro na lang slow connection. Palibasa, maraming nananabotahe. Draw pala, no? Draw game. Polaris Setso na. Sepo. Okay. Next, race 10. Race number 10, tama ba? Oo, tama. Neon Sara will take on MP for our race number 10. Yan. Tama? Okay. So in this race number 10, another battle of Super 2 cars ulit. For this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. Or Neon Sara, baliktad pala. Neon Sara starting at lane 2, MP at lane 1. Ayun. So it's Neon Sara at lane 2 and MP at lane 1 for our race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Parang. Satu. Final lap. Login. Draw. Kasi MP ang nahuli, kaya siya ilalaban ni Setso na. Tapos si Polaris, hindi yung sana. Yun. Draw game. Na naman. Neon Sara and Pedro. Race 11. Alright. Race 11 na po tayo. It's going to be Papa Roach taking on Metalder for our race number 11. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1 and Metalder at lane 2 for his race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Grabe, sobrang bilis talaga. 2. Magala. Next. Hanggang tuloy-gulong. Nag-flying tires tuloy. Matanggal ba? Ayos lang. Papa Roach winner. Surprisingly, walang natumba. Walang umembang. Surprisingly, walang umembang. Gam. Ay! Bakit yung NPC ito hindi na ako? Turog, dito pala dapat. Ano kaya yun? Mali? Mali yung nadala kong oton mo yun. Bakit binidisan si Setson? Draw game. Ay, draw game. Hindi pala, may winner pala tayo. Papa Roach winner. Against Metalder. Win. Metalder. So, split para kay Metalder so far. Okay, race number 12. Race number 12 natin, Cosmo Atomica taking on RT Tarika. Yan. Sa ating race number 12, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2 and RT Tarika starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's RT Tarika at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 for race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, this is AO winner. Winner. Napatukan nga, doon pa nakatama kay Cosmo. Aray ko po. Ganda na sana. Cosma Atomica won by hit over RT Paregal. Tapos na pala yan. So, hintay siya. Tapos si Cosmo panalo by hit. Yun. Buti na lang natapos na yung race. Okay. Race number 2. First hit. Unang hit. Okay. Race 13. Wala race Neon Sara. Okay. Race number 13 will feature Neon Sara taking on Polaris for our race number 13. And in this matchup, sa matchup na to ng mga Super 2 cars ulit, parang labanan to ng mga soft drinks. Sprite, laban sa Pampinjo. Pangyayari dito. So in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 1. Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, it's Polaris at lane 2 and Neon Sara at lane 1 for this race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, ride. Good. Okay, draw. Draw. Nag-change lane ba? Replay center nga. Pero parang draw. Parang draw. Yeah. Tingnan natin sa replay center muna. Okay. Pati yung live nade-delay. Tingnan natin. Lane 1. Tama. Sandali. Good. Legal. Legal yon, legal. Legal yon. Walang change lane. Walang change lane. Okay na, walang change lane pala. Last lap. Okay. So buti na lang ang kagandahan ng replay center natin dahil dalawa yung smartphone na ginagamit ko, piniplay parehong 4G, piniplay ko yung isa, habang piniplay yung live, piniplay ko yung isa on a delayed basis. Ang kagandahan kasi nun, meron tayong benefit of a replay. So, pwede nating i-replay. Kaya nga dapat manage live rewind every time nagla-live para meron tayong replay. So, base sa replay na yon, okay lang yon, nagtalon na pala eh. Lane 2 pala si Polaris, nag-tumbling man siya pero bumalik pa rin sa respective lane niya. So it's alright. So walang problema yon. So meron tayong panalo rito. Therefore, at saka umembang kasi siya base sa replay. Teka. Anyari. Base sa replay, umembang siya, nandun na sa lane 2 eh. Nakatapos na siya eh. No? Teka. I-play lang natin. Naku. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check natin. Yan ang hirap pag mag-isa lang ako nagpe-play. Talagang kailangan may katuwang. Paingay. Paingay, nakita na natin kaninang huli. Saan ba yun? Sang mark ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na. Check natin dito sa replay. Ito ba yun? Oh. Mali. Sorry. Okay. Re-replay lang po natin. Babalik. Meron lang tayo. Nandito lang tayo sa replay center para ma-determine natin kung win o lose talaga. Re-replay natin yung na yun. Sige. Apay nga, walay dili eh. Tama lang na hindi ko kinuha. Nagtumbling man si Polaris pero nakabalik naman doon sa same lane. Yung pa rin yung nilandingan so walang problema. Last two. Final lap. Okay. Ayos. Okay. Tama. Panalo si Polaris. Alright. So, base dun sa replay upon review. So, it's going to be Polaris. It's going to be Polaris emerging victorious over Neon Sara. So, it's a win for Polaris. Yan ang benefit ng magkaroon tayo ng replay center dito. Yung luma kong phone, ginawa kong replay center. Yan. Alright. So, win yon kay Polaris. Polaris won over Neon Sara. Tama, yung lane. Yung binagsakan naman niya, same pa rin doon pa rin siya sa inner lane bumagsak. So, tumambling man siya, pero doon pa rin. Nag-forward flip. So, okay lang yan. Polaris won over NS. Yan. So, dalawang pula kay Neon Sara. Yung si Polaris, isang luntiang marka. Meron na siyang luntiang marka laban kay Neon Sara. Okay. So, walang problema pala. Polaris will battle it out. Yung si RT Tareka, ano yung huling niya? Talo, no? Talo by hit. So, yun ang hindi. Tama ba? Neon Sara last. Tapos na. Tapos na pala. Tapos na. Waiting siya. Si Metal Gear na. Metal Gear na kalaban ni Neon Sara. Yun. Si Neon Sara nakalaban ni Metal Gear. Ngayon, si race 13 na yan, 14. Ito na yung 14. Okay, so ito pa lang yung 14. 13 pa lang to eh. Talagay ko. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 26. Ito, mali. 26, tama, 14. Okay. Race 14. Okay, nalito-lito na ako. Race number 14, Setsuna taking on Impey for this matchup. Sa race number 14, wherein Setsuna will start at lane 2, Impey at lane 1. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 2, Impey at lane 1. It's purple versus orange in this race number 14. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, hit, winner. Tapos na yan. Hit. Right away, may winner na tayo kagad. Impey winner by hit over Setsuna. Umemba sa dun eh. Wala na. Setsuna Artisari ka yung isang bracket. Okay. So, yun yung mga kalaban ni Polaris sa race number 19. Tama naman, race 19 na yan. Race 19 na yan. Race number 19. Kasi yung si Artitare at si Setsuna sa na yan. Race 19. 17 pala. Okay. Race number 14. 15. Ayo. Napabilis. Yung natin. Race number by hit. Black ball pen. Hit. Dalawa. Si Setsuna talo kay Impey, hit ulit. Yun. Okay. Race number Race number 15. Okay, race number 15, yan na yung finals rematch natin from the previous race day. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus Papa Roach, Orange Army Car rematch in our race number 15, wherein Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 1 and Papa Roach will start at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 and Papa Roach at lane 2. For this finals championship race rematch from last Saturday here in this race number 15. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Happy New Year. Ayala. Ayala na rin. Nakabawi. Papa Roach, winner. Settling a score against Cosmo Atomica. Alright. Tapos sa loser side ngayon si Cosmo. O tapos ito susunod. Ayun. Tapos ito. Loser. Loser bracket. Ayun. Nice. Sige, switch off muna. Okay. Switch off muna, switch off. Win by Papa Roach. Cosmo loss. Dalawa na, talo ni Cosmo. Ay, grabe. Laser iron pa. Laser iron pa, nanalo. Ay, hindi pa. Ay, hindi. Hindi pa sila naglaban pala. Ay, hindi pa. Maliban na lang pag talagang okay yung takbo. Okay. Race number 16. Okay, race number 16. Alright. Race number 16 will feature Metalder taking on Neon Sara for our race number 16 yan. Mga starting, starting cars ko yan for BMAX for Pro Stock ng FM sa March 16, 2024. Yan, iniimbita ko po kayo na pumunta doon sa Asdale Racing Center, doon sa Magic Star Mall, Pakikita nila, as they celebrate their fiesta right there. On March 16, meron pong Gundam mecha cosplay, merong Gundam building contest, meron ding Beyblade, may Tamiya rin. Yun, Tamiya nga, sasali ng inyong bumibot. Pero magpo-cosplay, pupunta doon ng paniki. Alright, in our race number 16, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2 and Neon Sara will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Neon Sara at lane 1 and Metalder at lane 2 for our race number 16. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Powder onion. Good. Okay din din. Pwede na ng talon, pagbalak. Laser arm! Laser arm! Chugug! Metalder, winner over Neon Sara. Alright! Laser arm! Laser arm! Tambay ka muna ngayon dyan. Ito sa 17. Yum! Malalaman naman natin kung ilan na lang yung natira ng assignment. Muna yung flash. Ay, sorry. Okay. Ay, ako. Lost. 1. So, ang mga natitirang assignment ni Metalder, 3 pa. Cosmo, MP, tsaka Polaris natitira. Neon Sara, 2 na lang. Yung top 2 na lang. Yung 2 Orange Army na naglaban sa race 15 kanina. Yun na lang yung natira. Si Setsu na naman at si RT Tarek. Setsu na going up against Neo RT Tareka rather. Setsu na versus RT Tareka is the matchup for Okay, race number 17, Setsuna versus RT Tareka is the matchup. And sa labang ito, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, RT Tareka at lane, Setsuna at lane 1, RT Tareka at lane 2. I repeat, Setsuna at lane 1, RT Tareka lane 2 for race number 17. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Good. Good. Final lap. Take off. Clear. Nakapanalo rin yung team home setup. Setsuna wins. Isan. 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 Yum. Isan. Setsuna is. Isan. Ayan, doon muna siya. Kasunod Cosmo yun sa tama ba? Win para kay Setsuna kay laban kay RT Tareka. Sa wakas nanalo rin. So dalawa na lang natitirang assignment ni Setsuna. Yun din pareho nung kay Neon Sara. Pareho sila ng last assignments. Palitan na lang sila, if ever. Okay. Penultimate assignment for Neon Sara, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica. Yan. It's Cosmo Atomica versus Neon Sara for our race number 18. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. Neon Sara again starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's Neon Sara at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 for our race number 18. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ang ganda laban to. Primero. Wala, primero. Sumapit pa. Ay na may danger. Ay na lang. Winner. Cosmo Atomica, winner. Alright. Yun, Cosmo Metalder finally. Ayun. Okay, maglaban dyan mamaya. Yan. Neon Sara, RT Tareka. Tapos na ba yun? Tama. So last assignment ni Neon Sara, si Papa Roach. Ayun. Yan ang final assignment ni Neon Sara, si Papa Roach. Cosmo won. Tapos si Neon Sara talo. Last assignment niya si Papa Roach. Si Cosmo may Metalder at Setsuna pa. Metalder at saka Setsuna pa. Okay? Race number 19. Ayun, yun, 19, 20, tama. Race 19. Okay. Race number 19 will feature MP taking on Polaris. Alright. So, MP versus Polaris. Labanan natin sa race number 19. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Alright. I repeat, MP at lane 1 and Polaris at lane 2 to start off race number 19. Switch on. Ay, sorry. Okay. Ready, set, bye. Login. Welcome back. Draw. Una si, unang nabaso kasi Polaris, si MP naman natulumi. Nasigawan ng tulumi. Draw yan. Draw. Next. Next. Setso na Papa Roach, next assignment. Penultimate assignment na yan ni Papa Roach, ni Setso na. So, ang last assignment ni Papa Roach, RT Tareka, si Pepper. Si Neon Sara, si Papa Roach team. Last assignment. Ay, lost pala, no? Lost pala, no? Sino yun? Alright, next. Race number 20. Okay, race number 20 natin. Papa Roach taking on Setsuna. So sa ating race number 20, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 2. Okay, lane 2 naman di Papa Roach, lane 1 Setsuna. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2 for our race number 20. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, Neo. Peter. Peter. Hit. Nagkasalwa, buti nga ganun lang. Nagkakikitan lang, nagkangusuhan lang. Papa Roach winner over Setsuna by hit. Alright. Papa Roach. Silang dalawa pala yung last assignment, Sige. Tapos si Setsuna, ang last assignment niya ay si... Last assignment na rin ni Setsuna yan eh. So, ang last assignment niya, Cosmo Atomica. Si Cosmo, ang last niya pala. O, di, antay siya. Antay siya. Last 8. Down to our last 8. Ay, naka. Lahat talaga, bumili ako ng mas matinong tripod talaga. Kabusit. Setsuna lost by hit. Ayun. Pangatlo. Okay. Third hit. Okay, race number 21, Blackjack. Blackjack race na tayo. Cosmo Atomica taking on Metalder for our race number 21. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. I repeat, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Metalder lane 2 for our race number 21. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final engineer. Final lap. Stop time. Hinalas pa. Kaya yun. Hinalas pa. Minalas pa. Panalo na sana. Laser arm na sana yun eh. Cosmo Atomica winner. Escaping the challenge of Metalder. A top challenge brought out by Metalder. Yan. So, dito siya. Sinong last assignment ni Cosmo? Pala. Okay, sino ngayon yung last assignment ni Sinong last assignment niya ni Cosmo? Metalder lost. MP Polaris last assignments niya. Ayo. Si Cosmo ang last assignment niya si Setsuna. Ayo, patapos na. Patapos na pala. Okay. Alright. So si Cosmo sa winner's bracket. Si MP. Tapos na. Si Setsu na last pala. Okay, dito na siya. O, ikaw na dyan. Sorry ka na, ikaw na dyan. Meron ka na dyan. Sabi ka na. Ang titari ka ba? Tapos na? Si titari ka, sinong last assignment? MP Polaris, Taparoch. Ay, oh, tama. Sila pala. Okay. Okay, sunod natin si Neon Sara at si Papa Roch. Di pa pala niya nakalaban si ano? Wala pa. 4 pa lang yung kay Ate Tarika eh. Tama. Dami pang assignment pa. Neon Sara pa, unang matatapos ngayong gabi, ano? Final assignment for Neon Sara on this elimination round. It's going to be Papa Roch taking on Neon Sara. Final assignment for Neon Sara. Okay? So last assignment na ni Neon Sara for this single round robin elimination round. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roch at lane 2 and Neon Sara at lane 1. Yan, race number 22 na to eh, no? Alright. So it's Neon Sara at lane 1 and Papa Roch at lane 2 to kick off race number 22. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Final lane. Or hindi pa. Final lap. Medyo ano pa. Ibang pa ron. Papa Roch winner over Neon Sara. So Neon Sara will close out its campaign for tonight's Manic Monday edition with a loss. So doon na matatapos si Neon Sara. So down to 7 na lang tayo. Si Papa Roch meron pang dalawa eh. Ay si ano pa, si Ate Tarika pa pala yung last. Si Ate Tarika yung last assignment pala ni Papa Roch. Win. Neon Sara, loss. 5 talo kay Neon Sara. Tanggal na. Obviously, tanggal na si Neon Sara. Pwede na nating tanggalin. So, unfortunately, Neon Sara eliminated. Marami na siyang talo eh. 5 talo. So, wala na yan. Wala na. Tanggal na si Neon Sara. Yan. Next na natin to. Si Setsu na dati Cosmo. Para tapos na rin si Cosmo Atomica. Sunod na natin. 23, di ba? Okay. Cosmo Setsu na. Last. Papa Roch, meron pang isa. Ate Tarika ba? Marami pa. Metalder Polaris. Dami pa. Maria Rossi. Ang dami. Gusto. Race number 23. Okay, race 23 tayo. Race number 23, Cosmo Atomica versus Setsuna is the matchup. And in this race number 23, Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. I repeat, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2 to start off race number 23. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, nakasuka. Lap 2. Lap 2. Final lap. Winner. Cosmo Atomica winner. Matapos matalo kay Papa Roch, ilang sunod na panalo ng pinagpapanalo ni Cosmo. So that's it for Cosmo and Setsuna. I think that's it. That's it for both Cosmo and Setsuna. Yes, that's it. Yun na yun. Yun na yun. Tapos na sina Cosmo at Setsuna, so down to 5 na lang. Okay. Race 24. Tapos na tong dalawa. Ewan ko lang ngayon kung si Setsuna kung ilan yung niya. 2, 3, 4. Wala. Alanganin. Alanganin si Setsuna. Alanganin siyang pumasok yan. Alanganin ang pumasok yan. Baka, let's consider na tanggal. Cosmo, pasok na yan. Pause mo, Tomika. Pasok. Yan. Yan. Sunod na natin pa. Okay. Ay, po. Hihilo ko. Nakaka-high blood talaga yung kawalan ng internet signal dito. Kahit wifi, walang kwenta. Direk! Direk! Ano na yun? Osmosis, so na, tapos na. Okay, sige. Alright, race number 24. Race 24 will feature Metalder taking on Polaris. Yan, for our race number 24. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, it's Polaris at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2 for our race number 24. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Good. That's two. Okay, nababuka. Ay na. Boy. Laser arm. Laser arm. Metalder finishing the job over Polaris with a victory. Laser arm. So, sino pa yung last assignment ni Polaris? Tala. Okay, end natin muna yung flash. Ay, Metalder, panalo. Panalo. Sinuswerte ngayon si Metalder, Last assignment ni Polaris, RT Tarika. Tapos si, naman, Metalder, MP. Yan. Okay. RT Tarika, MP. Tapos Metalder, hintay ka. Kay Papa Roach, tapos na eh. Tapos na siya kay Papa Roach eh. Ang last assignment na ng Metalder si MP. Si naman, si RT, si Polaris naman, si RT Tarika last. So, penultimate assignment kay RT Tarika ay ang laban niya kay, actually, tatlo pa. Tatlo pa laban niya pala, no? Number 25 na to. Oo, magbaback to back pala rito si magbaback to back si RT Tarika sa last two. O di, simulan na natin. So, RT Tarika taking on MP for our race number 25. Okay. RT Tarika versus MP for our race number 25. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, RT Tarika at lane 1. I repeat. RT Tarika, lane 1. MP at lane 2 for race number 25. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Good. Outside. Ayan. Last two. Final left. Take off. Jogging. Yan lang nagkagawa. Ayun, last. Talder, entry. Last. Ayan, isa na ulit. Titara ka na ulit. Sunod-sunod. Last time Metalder versus MP. Sunod-sunod rin na natin. Sige. 3 na raw. Gawin na natin 3 na raw. Kaya RT Tarika. Sige. Draw game. Draw laban kay MP. MP draw. Okay. Race number 26 na tayo. Sunod-sunod na yan. RT Tarika ulit. This time si Polaris naman ang kalaban para sa race number 26. At race number 27, RT Tarika versus Papa Roach. Then to close out the elimination round, Metalder versus MP. Okay, in our race number 26, it's going to be RT Tarika starting at lane 2 this time. And Polaris will start at lane 1. I repeat, RT Tarika at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1 for race number 26. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Good. Oh. Long in. Again. Draw. Draw. Tapos. Draw. Kapag pahingayin na natin yung dalawa, yung last 4. Down to last 2 na tayo. Draw ulit. Draw si Tarika kay Polaris. Okay. Ayos na. Last 2. Okay. Last 2. Okay. Last na kay RT Tarika. Okay. Last race ng last 2 races ng ating elimination round. It's going to be Papa Roach taking on RT Tarika this time. Alright. For this penultimate race in the elimination round, it's going to be Papa Roach at lane 1 and RT Tarika at lane 2. Yun din, lane 2 ulit si RT Tarika. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1, RT Tarika at lane 2 to start off this penultimate race of the elimination round this manic Monday evening. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, game on. Ulit. Nagbanggaan, sabay. Hindi ko matisermin. Inconclusive. Ready, set, bye. Sabay pa pa. Ako. Final up. Okay. Winner. Ayun, nakapanalo rin sa wakas. RT Tarika with an upset victory over Papa Roach. Yung kanina kasi inconclusive yun sabay kasi silang nagbanggaan kaya hindi natin masabi kung kung sino yung hindi natin masabi. Pero pwede rin sabihin draw yun no? Let's see here. Teka, let's check at the replay. Teka, parang may nag-comment ata dun sa natin. Parang may nag-comment. Wait lang. Si Doc Troy, nanonood pala. Thank you so much. Kanina, sumilip si Doc Troy Ordonez. Thank you so much for dropping by here on DTL SMC. Yan. Pero parang nagbanggaan sila kanina. I think nagbangga sila kanina Anyari? Nagloloko na naman yung natin. Sandali. Sos, Ginoo. Nagloloko Teka muna. Nagloloko yung aking live. Wait. Kanina pa ganyan Okay. Hindi. Doon sa isa. Ang alam ko nag-hit. Pwede rin consider draw na hit yan. Oo pala. Ito. Replay lang natin kanina. Hindi pala natin dapat inulit yon. Hindi pala dapat inulit yon. Pag nag-post, natin. Teka, re-replay tayo. Replay center. Review. We now have a review of the initial start. Ano ba to? Sandali lang ha. Ay. Sabay sila. Tama, sabay nga sila. Sabay sila, oo. Tagang, nasabit na rin si Papa Roach, tapos yung si, Artie Tarek, bumangga din. So, walang ano yun. Isa pa, one more time. I-replay natin one more time. Review lang po ito, review of the last start. Next. Play natin. Anyway, last 2 na eh. Last 5, last assignment na. Mabuti na po yung sigurado mga kadipat para walang daya. Siguraduhin natin walang daya. Yun. Bumalanse na. Nawalan na ng balanse si doon eh. Si Papa Roach. Nawalan na talaga ng balanse. Medyo sumabit na. Kaya nagbanggaan din sila. Nagbanggaan din sila ni Papa Roach. Sabay na umimbang yung dalawa eh. Papa sumabit, si Artie Tarek nagkatamaan sila sabay. So therefore, yan? So therefore, panalo si, draw yan. Let's just make it draw na lang. Draw na lang yan. Draw. Pwede naman ang draw dito eh. So walang problema. Draw po yan, draw. Nagkatablaan sila eh. Sila eh. Sabay silang nagbanggaan eh. Kaya draw yan. So, apologies ulit na gano'n ko nag-declare ng winner. Pero para siniguradong siniguradong walang daya, rather, chinek na natin dito sa replay center. Meron po kasi tayong replay center. Itong, nasa luma kong cellphone, yung Realme C2 ko. Ngayon, yung Vivo Y17 is yung nandyan na naka-record. Ngayon, pine-play ko simulcast doon sa isa pa, on a delayed basis. So that we can be sure na tama yung hatol natin. So in that case, it's a draw. Draw po yon, draw. Tabla po yon kasi nagkasabit na eh. Wala naman tayong re-raise kasi. So draw po yan. So Papa Roach and Artie Tarek will end up their elimination round campaign with a draw. It's a draw. It's a tie. Tie po yan. Tie. Finally, but not the least, sa wakas, matatapos na rin yung elimination round. And it's going to be Metalder versus MP ang ating last match-up sa ating elimination round. And in this match-up, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2. And MP will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's MP at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. To close up this elimination round with this final race, this manic Monday evening here in the single round robin. Switch on! Ready, set, match! Good. Good. Final failure. Ganda! Final lap. Ready? Patoy! Laser arm! Laser arm! Naka-laser arm na naman! Metalder closing out this elimination round with a victory over M. That concludes our elimination round. Dahil didictate na natin yung elimination round result natin. So at the end of the 28 grueling races na nagkakanda putol-putol dahil sa pambabara ng signal sa atin, yan. Okay? May slow connection pang nalalaman. Yan. Alright. So in this so as a result, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica topping the list once more, but this time with only 12 total points. 6 wins, 1 loss. Tinalo ni Papa Roach. Actually, si Papa Roach na yung nakatalo sa kanya. 12 points. Still good enough to be on top of the car standings at the end of the elimination round, going to the semis round. And Papa Roach, actually siya mauuna. Si Cosmo Atomica mauuna against MP. Mamaya, balbihin natin. Then Papa Roach garnered total of 10 points, making it second place. Second placer. So yung mga finalists last Saturday, sila yung top 2 going to the semis round. Let's see kung ma-maintain nila ulit yan, kung mag-settle ulit sila ng rematch. Okay, sets na with 1 win, 4 losses, and 2 draws. Yan. Yung third place natin will be Metalder. Actually, surprisingly, Metalder finishing the elimination round as third seed. Going to the semis. So, first time mag-semis ni Metalder in a long while. Magse-semis si Metalder. Yan. With 4 wins, 2 losses, and 1 draw, making it a total of 9 points. 9 puntos. Good enough to be third seeded. Going to the semis. The number 4 car will be MP. So, Orange Army ang magdodominate. So, it's going to be the Orange Army cars which will dominate this Manic Monday evening tonight on DTL SMC. Ito si MP with a total of 8 points, 3 wins, 2 losses, and 2 draws. 4 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw. 4-2-1 si Metalder. So 1 point lang ang nilamang pala ni Metalder kay MP. Grabe. Tapos si MP 8 points. 3 wins, 2 losses, 2 draws. So making it a total of 8 points. Tapos, ang number 5, Artita Rica with 6 points. 1 win, 2 losses, 4 draws. Number 6 will be Polaris with 1 win, 3 losses, 3 draws. Number 7 is Setsuna, 1 win, 4 losses, 2 draws. Neon Sara, dead last. Neon Sara will be finishing the elimination round as dead last. With only 2 draws and 5 losses, with only 2 points garnered, 2 points scored. So yung mga pasok sa semifinals natin, Cosmo Atomica, Papa Roach, Metalder, and MP. So meron tayong dalawang bagong papasok sa semifinals round at yon ay sina MP at Metalder. So dito na natin yung ilalagay. Okay. So unfortunately, kailangan magpaalam na ni Neon Sara, Setsuna, Polaris at Architarica dahil sila yung bottom 4 from 5 to 8. Sila yung nalagay sa bottom half ng ating standing. So therefore, yon yung So therefore, papalitan sila ni McLaurin, ni Venom, ni Merrick at ni Archera Myrtle sa Miyerkules for our game 5. Before going to Paniki Tarlac for our fundraise event dun sa Magic Star Mall ulit. Alright, so it's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus MP for our semis 1. Semis 2 will be Papa Roach versus Metalder. Alright. Okay. So without further ado, huwag na natin patagalin. Narito na tayo sa ating semifinals round. Okay, simulan natin sa 1 versus 4 matchup ang ating semifinals round. Semifinals number 1 will feature Cosmo Atomica, the top-seeded car going up against the 4th-seeded car, MP. Alright, for our semifinals number 1, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, MP at lane 2. So, may pagkakataon si MP na makapasok ng championship. Tingnan natin kung magagawa ng sipain si Cosmo Atomica at ilagay sa race for third. Na natin. Ayusin ko yung down thrust ko. Wala, maka-adjust ng mga ilang segundo. Okay. So once again, this is Dipat Aguilar for Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Kahit medyo nagpuputol-putol yung signal minsan. Okay. So we are now in our semifinals round, and we will start right away the semifinals round with this first semifinals matchup. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Final up. Pass down. And it's going to be Cosmo Atomica returning to the championship round after beating MP. But nevertheless, at least valiant effort pa rin para kay MP dun sa semifinal duel na yon. So, no shame. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Alright, semifinals number 2. Right away na tayo. Papa Roach taking on Metalder in our semifinals number 2. It's a 2 versus 3 matchup. So, sa labang ito, si Papa Roach ang magsimula sa lane 2 and Metalder will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Metalder at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2 for their respective starting base status. Dragon's Breath. Alright mga kadipak, without further ado, it's now time for our semifinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final thinking. Okay, kumarsyo ka. Final up. Nag-try dagger. Ano kaya yun? Nag-try dagger? Grabe nag-try dagger si Papa Roach. Gumanon siya. Eh di ba nakadiretso po yung mga kadipa, nakaganyan siya. Biglang gumanon, no? O gumanon. Try dagger! Nag-try dagger! Nagtumakbong-takbong try dagger yung ginawa eh. Para lang magstay doon sa linya. Ibang klase. Wow! Grabe. And still, it's going to be Papa Roach remaining triumphant over Metalder. Sayang nga lang, sumabit lang eh. Ang ganda sana sa bayan yun kung nagkataon. Wow! So what a way to close out the semis round with a rematch with another shot at destiny for Papa Roach against the same opponent in Cosmo Atomica. So sila ulit ang finals natin for the second straight race day. Alright. Battle or race for third na po tayo. It's going to be Metalder taking on MP. Yan, yung last race natin, race number 28 sa ating elimination round. Sila na rin po yung magkalaban sa ating race for third. Wow. Ito. In our race for third, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. Balik lane 1 ulit. Balik lane 1 ulit si Metalder. Ganon din si MP, balik lane 2. Yun yung mga starting lane din nila. Sa semis 1 at sa semifinals, yun din ang starting lane din nila. Alright mga ka-adipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this Magic Monday evening here on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Good. Wala pang reset. Last two. Kaya hindi nyo yan. Final lang. Okay. Last two lang. What a way to end our race for third. Grabe, buti na lang nasulit ni MP ang kanyang tsansa na ma-sweep yung magkaroon ng 1-2-3 sweep ang ating Orange Army as MP will garner the third place finish for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. Congratulations yan kay MP. Naging third place sa wakas. First aggregate point for this month of March 2024. So, dominated po ng Orange Army itong Lunes ng gabing ito. Lunes malinis ng gabing ito. Sus Mariosep. Yung top 3 natin ngayon, Orange Army. Puro orange. Wow! Grabe to. To culminate our festivities for tonight's Manic Monday edition, here now is our championship race matchup. Cosmo Atomica versus Papa Roach once more. Cosmo Atomica versus Papa Roach one more time in for our championship race tonight on DTL SMC for the second straight race day. Saturday at ngayong Lunes. Sila yung championship race matchup na naman. So for this championship race, this time it's going to be Cosmo Atomica, which will start at lane 2, and Papa Roach starting at lane 1. I repeat, Papa Roach at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. Alright mga kalipag, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race. The culmination of festivities this manic Monday evening here on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay, sabi. Lane danger. Final lap. And that's the lap. And finally, after a grueling set of Tamiya Mini Power racing action right here, still Cosmo Atomica, our back-to-back champion for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. Yan, securing another set of aggregate points with a total of 6 already. Hindi. Lalamang ngayon ng dalawa si Papa Roach, papa niya. 8 against 6. 8 against 6. Mangyayari talaga. Yan. Yan. Pwede. Pwedeng ganyan. Tapos nandun sa isa yung kabila. Tama.